Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. France has always been a good friend and a partner for India and Indian Defense Forces. Indian Defense Forces use a variety of France products in their arsenal, and to name a few are the Dassault Rafale fighters, which were inducted recently, are from France. Not only that, Safran engines, which power one of the most loved fighters of Indian Air Force fleet, which is the Dassault Aviation Rafale. The Safran Group is also the leading supplier of turbine engines for the helicopters used by the Indian Armed Forces. India do operate Mirage 2000 fighters, which are again manufactured by the same Dassault Aviation from where the Rafale has come into life. So, being so close and joint with France, there has been another major decision taken by the Indian Air Force, and this time it's about acquiring second hand French fighters to boost the Indian Air Force squadron strength and to maintain the existing one. To be more precise, it looks like Indian Air Force might be going for 24 second hand Mirage 2000 fighters, and out of these 24, few of them would be in flying condition after an in-depth service, and the rest fighters can be used for providing vital spare parts for the existing squadron of Mirage 2000 in Indian Air Force fleet. According to me, this is actually a right decision since fast induction of used fighters which are in good condition would save a lot of money and time, and it will also help in boosting the fighter squadron strength. New fighters are obviously a best choice, but it would cost more, and also the process of selecting, customizing, and inducting these fighters will take ages. Major spare parts which can be extracted from these used Mirage 2000 fighters, which are not going to be in flying away condition even after servicing, are the engine, the fuel tanks, the ejection seats, airframe, and other vital components. And these components, which I'm talking about here, would be very difficult to get once these fighters are completely phased out by Dassault Aviation. I've already uploaded a separate video to highlight the speciality of Mirage 2000 fighters and how much it is important for Indian Air Force in keeping their combat strength ready for any type of missions and threats. I've given the video link in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. So that was a quick video to provide vital information about the plan to acquire second and Mirage 2000 fighters by Indian Air Force for boosting their squadron strength and also to use them for vital spare parts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.